Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix iQIYI app not working problem. So if the iQIYI application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some bugs in the application. So in order to fix this bug, what you have to do is simply open the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in iQIYI over here. Search for it and you'll be able to see the results. You can see this application for iQIYI, simply tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Now wait for a while. It might take a while to be updated. Now after a while the application will be updated. After it is updated, the bug should be fixed and your application should start working. If the application still does not work, the problem might be caused because of the cache. So in that case, clear the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find this application for iQIYI and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of iQIYI. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now after that, the cache of the application will be cleared and your problem should be solved. But if the application is still not working, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, the application will surely work. But sometimes there might be some temporary software glitches within the application itself. So in that case, what you have to do is simply restart your device. Long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After the device is restarted, simply try using the iQIYI application. Now your problem should be solved and the iQIYI application should be working. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix iQIYI application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.